What's a pumpkin's favorite sport?
I don't know.
Squash.
Hey everybody, I'm Bridget, this is John, and every week we get drunk
And try a recipe for the first time. And this week, we can't even make pumpkin spice cookies.
So today we are making pumpkin spice cookies. Super easy, 2 ingredients. We certainly can't screw this up, I hope. You just buy you some spice cake mix. We did Duncan Hines because that is a vegan cake mix brand. And a 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin. You just mix them together, drop them on a cookie sheet, bake them for 15 minutes. That's cookies.
Wait, so what did we throw in here? I wasn't listening. I was going to be baking your crap. So we threw 15 ounces of pumpkin in
15
here.
ounces of pumpkin,
Pure pumpkin.
Not pumpkin pie mix, but pure pumpkin.
Pure pumpkin.
And then spice cake mix, which is vegan, so the cookies are vegan.
Duncan Hines.
Duncan Hines is the best one. And you just mix it together till it's not lumpy.
So
go
we
ahead
need
and
this,
mix it together.
and then just lump it together.
Well, you mix it together so there aren't lumps, but yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, it smells amazing.
Does it?
Already, yeah.
Oh dear God.
If you
that
love
smells so
pumpkin,
good.
you're going to
Yes.
love this.
I love this. All our PSL people out there, you can be into this.
You keep saying those acronyms. What's a PSL?
What?
A pumpkin spice
latte.
lover?
Pumpkin spice latte.
Oh.
All the white chicks like me who love their pumpkin spice, we're all about the pumpkin spice latte.
You guys are so basic. I can't
I
understand
will
it.
own it, and I enjoy every freaking minute of it.
But I feel like black people love pumpkin spice
They do.
too.
It's just that us white girls seem to get a bad rap for liking pumpkin
That's
spice.
true.
Stuff.
And
I
your
don't
little
really know what it is.
flannel.
Yeah.
Flannel's for lesbians. Just stick to that, alright?
You know, I actually don't own any flannel. Is it only because I'm half lesbian?
I mean, are you? Yeah, I know. Like, do you even know how to chop wood?
Oh wait, you know what? I do have a flannel. I do
Do
have
you really?
one. I forgot.
So from the bottom.
Yeah, just make
Bring
it
it up
really
from the
getting in there. If
bottom.
you want to use your hands, that's fine
No,
too.
you don't know where my hands have been,
That's
so just
true.
avoid that.
Well, actually, I do, and that's worse.
Oh god.
Oh no!
Oh no! Let me just clear this table.
You see what I'm doing here? Where I'm bringing it up from the bottom and I'm kind of mashing it in to make sure the lumps get really in there. You can keep doing that because my hands don't want to.
Yeah.
And you want to leave some of the mix.
Oh,
bowl.
still in there, bowl.
We do want to actually
just
make
not all of
cookies
my
and
mouth.
not, yeah,
Oh,
feed
God.
you. You know what's funny is I don't think I have control issues until I cook with you, and then I realized the recipe that I got this from. She said that she still had some of the flour bumps in it, and her cookies turned out fine.
So, yeah, it's probably fine.
Okay.
So now we need to dump crap onto this crap, onto that crap.
Yeah. So it says to do like 2-inch cookies. Just spoon them onto the thing. They don't have to be shaped or anything. That's too much. It's better to do it with like a spoon or
We don't have a spoon.
cookie.
Should I go
Maybe-
get a spoon?
Yeah.
Hold on, we'll be right back.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. So now you take your spoon and you're gonna do like
A 2
I
ounce
can
bump.
tell you that's too much.
Is that
That
right?
might be okay after the sugar fell off. Okay. And
Bam!
Oh dear. That's okay.
You have to really
No more than
smash
that.
it.
No more than that. No. That's not enough.
Oh! Now it's not enough. I can't please you.
It's a giant cookie.
Yeah. Bigger the cookie, bigger the batter. This would be a tagline for the movie where cookies attack.
Jesus, I would love it if
Shh,
you did not. No more huge cookies.
Bam. Small cookie. Small cookie.
So this
Yeah.
goes in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. So the cookies are done. And we're going to try them now. So that big honker there is yours, I believe.
So we decided with toothpicks that this one's not done.
It's not fully done.
And that those are done.
Mostly done.
So we're going to find out how much doneness you need to have for these cookies.
The recipe said they'd be near muffin texture, so they are fluffy for a cookie.
I like things that are a little raw. I like my medium to... No, not medium. I like my medium to medium.
You just said not medium. I like these.
God, this is doughy as crap.
5 Dennis's.
And I love it. 5 Dennis's.
So, you bake them at 350 for 15 minutes, which seemed to be sufficient for the ones that weren't overly sized, because someone doesn't know how to portion cookies.
I like them too big.
I'm gonna leave that alone. I will say, when they say to mix it until there's no lumps, they mean to mix it until there's no lumps, because you can see the flour lumps on the tops of some of these cookies. But it's not bugging me. They taste just fine.
The doughiness tastes amazing.
But it's hard to pick up off the pan, apparently.
But you can't scrape it up. You just gotta pick up the crap out of it.
Stop. Like, subscribe, comment, stop watching before you unsubscribe.
Hey, Bridget.
What?
What did the pumpkin say after Thanksgiving?
I don't know.
Good pie, everyone. Hey, Bridget.
What?
What do you call a pretty pumpkin?
I don't know.
Gorgeous.